A frozen screen on your Nextbase Dash Cam means the LCD display is unresponsive. The camera might still be recording, but you can't interact with the screen. This usually stems from software glitches within the camera's operating system, often triggered by software bugs, power issues, extreme temperatures, or general wear and tear. We'll show you how to fix it. The easiest fix for a frozen Nextbase Dash Cam screen is a soft reset. This method clears minor software glitches that cause the display to become unresponsive without erasing your saved footage or settings. To perform a soft reset, first locate the power button on your dash cam. This is usually marked with a power symbol or clearly labeled. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see a brief animation as the device restarts. This forces the camera to reboot completely, restarting the embedded operating system and clearing any temporary software issues that might have caused the freeze. Once the dash cam restarts, check if the screen now responds to touch or button inputs. Soft resets are effective because they resolve most temporary freezes caused by software hiccups, such as memory overload or minor bugs, without requiring any tools or data loss. If a soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Disconnect the dash cam from its power source, usually the car's 12-volt socket, for at least 5 minutes. This allows the camera to fully discharge and reset its internal systems. Reconnect the power and turn it on. When other troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the frozen screen on your Nextbase Dash Cam, a factory reset serves as a last resort solution. This process returns the device to its original factory settings, erasing any personal configurations you may have made, such as custom display preferences or saved routes. While effective at clearing persistent software bugs that cause screen freezes, the factory reset will remove all user data. Therefore, it's crucial to back up important information first, including any recorded footage or personalized settings. You can perform the factory reset through the Nextbase Connect app, which provides a simple interface for this process. Once completed, the dashcam will restart with default settings, often resolving the freeze issue by eliminating corrupted data or conflicting configurations. Outdated firmware is a common cause of screen freezes. Use the Nextbase Connect app on your smartphone to check for and install any available updates. Nextbase regularly releases updates that address bugs and improve performance, and many updates have directly targeted the frozen screen issue. Keep your dashcam updated to ensure optimal performance. As of late 2025, firmware version 1.7.2 and later versions contain important fixes. Inconsistent power supply can cause freezes. Ensure the dashcam is securely connected to the car's power source. Try a different 12-volt socket or a different cable to rule out connection problems. Loose wiring or a faulty power adapter can lead to intermittent freezes. If using a hardwire kit, verify that it is properly installed and providing a stable power supply. Extreme temperatures can severely impact your Nextbase dashcam's LCD screen. Both heat and cold can cause the screen to malfunction or appear frozen. In hot weather, temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius can damage the screen's liquid crystals. Avoid leaving your dashcam in direct sunlight for extended periods, as this can lead to overheating and display issues. Cold temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius can also freeze the screen, making it unresponsive. This happens because the liquid crystals solidify in freezing conditions. To prevent these issues, consider removing the dashcam from your vehicle when parked in extreme heat or cold. This simple step can extend the life of your device and maintain its performance. Dashcam technology is evolving with wireless dashcams, over-the-air updates, and AI diagnostics becoming more common, leading to more reliable systems. Keep an eye out for these features in future models. Preventative measures, such as using official mounts, avoiding overclocking features, and promptly installing firmware updates, will further minimize issues. If problems persist, contact Nextbase customer support for assistance. Stay updated with the latest dashcam technology for reliable performance.